Today we're comparing two popular treadmills to help you decide which one may fit your workout routine better: the Sperax treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, aiming to give you a clear picture of what each product offers. When it comes to price, the Sperax treadmill is slightly more wallet-friendly at $329, compared to the Rhythm Fun treadmill's $369. Reviewers appreciated the value for money that Sperax offers, especially for those looking to save without sacrificing quality. Features are where both treadmills shine, but in different ways. The Sperax boasts an innovative 2-in-1 folding design, which reviewers found versatile and space-saving. Meanwhile, Rhythm Fun impresses with its 5-layer non-slip running belt and Bluetooth connectivity, offering a secure and tech-friendly workout experience. Both treadmills have a 2.5 horsepower motor, but the Rhythm Fun supports up to 300 pounds, offering a bit more in terms of capacity. Reviewers of the Sperax noted its suitability for average-sized individuals, while Rhythm Fun users appreciated its ability to accommodate a wider range of body types. In terms of space-saving design, both treadmills offer easy folding mechanisms. However, Rhythm Fun is highlighted for its claim of being able to walk away in 2 easy steps, suggesting an even more streamlined storage process, which appealed to reviewers looking for maximum convenience in small living spaces. Overall, the Sperax treadmill is praised for its affordability, versatility, and space-saving design, making it a great option for small spaces and budget-conscious individuals. The Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill, on the other hand, is noted for its tech-friendly features, higher capacity, and ultra-compact storage solution, appealing to a tech-savvy audience and those needing a bit more room. The sentiments from reviewers for both products are largely positive, with Sperax being appreciated for its value and simplicity, and Rhythm Fun for its innovative features and robust design. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill. We hope this has helped you in making an informed decision on which treadmill might be the right fit for your fitness journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. For more detailed information and to purchase either treadmill, check out the product links in the description. Stay fit and see you in the next video.